Literal translation is a form of base translation. In literal translation, the form of the source language is transferred into the form of the target language. Although this literal translation is useful for the purposes that relate to the study of the source language, it has little help to the text speakers of the sector language who are interested in the meaning of the source language text. A literal translation has little communication value.
According to Larson in his book entitled Meaning-Based Translations, a literal translation is form-based translation attempt to follow the form of the source language and are known as literal translations. Here is an example of literal translations. Number 1, SL Akuandaro Akuava until Papua New Guinea. Number 2, Your Name Call. Larson stated that his literal translation makes little sense in English. The appropriate translation would be what is your name?
The next part 3, a literal English translation of the grammar word kindergarten will be children's garden. But in English, the expression refers to the school year between preschool and first grade. Literal translation is which individual components within words or compounds are translated to create new lexical items in the target language, or a process also known as loan translation. Are called Kalkus, e.g. beer garden, from German Biergarten. The literal translation of the Italian sentence, so c'è questo non va bene, or I know that this is not good. Products, no, or I, that is not good. It, well, which has English verbs and Italian grammar.
This literal translation gives priority to form whether that in words, clause, or sentence, and it makes the result of the translation sound unnatural and has a little communication power. This translation often becomes a bad translation because the translator makes over the use of equivalent of the appropriate word with the contextual meaning.
This type of translation is usually implied in the sentence structure of the source language. Is this different from the sentence structure of the target language? A comparison of the following three types translation. English sentence: his heart is in right place. Word for word translation. Kepunyaannya hati adalah dalam itu benar tempat. Literal translation: hatinya berada di tempat yang benar. Free translation: dia baik hati.